Hi guys, welcome back to Ethereal Orb. I am Megan, and a couple weeks ago I got my email from YouTube that I had been on YouTube for a year. And I'm a little late with this video, but I thought what a fun way to celebrate a year on YouTube than to go back and do something similar to what I did on my very first video. Except I'm not holding a baby in this video, which makes it so much easier. But anyway, in my first video, I did a dip where you pour on something and then dip your canvas in it. Somebody had requested it on one of the groups. I think it was Let It Flow. I believe it was the only one at the time. I could be totally wrong on that. But, but anyway, I posted a picture of it, of one that I had done, and somebody requested a video, and I thought, well, why not? I'll put something up on YouTube. And that's how it all started. So I am really incredibly rusty when it comes to doing an acrylic pour dip. I have not done one in a very long time. It's been months and months and months. So bear with me if this doesn't turn out perfectly wonderful. Won't be surprised. I said I haven't done one in a very long time, but I do really enjoy them. There's something very feathery about them. They have a really distinctive look, and they're just feathery, and just they almost. I'm gonna say this, and this one's gonna turn out horribly. They almost always turn out just beautifully, and they're just gorgeous, I think. So, why I haven't done one in months and months and months, because that I don't know. But other than it does make a bit of a mess, and you know, you can peel up the skin, but it seems like it's just, I don't know, it makes a bit more of a mess than some of the other techniques. So maybe it's just my laziness talking. So I have a 8x8 canvas, and I'm going to pour on, this is just a tote lid that I have for pouring. When I do small pours, when I used to do small pours, I would pour on this to keep my mess contained. So I'm going to pour the paint on here and then put the paint or the canvas on here. And that's how I'm going to do it this time. So we'll see how we go. Like I said, I haven't done this in a very long time, and I really don't have a plan. Is my phone going to focus? There we go. So we're just going to kind of see what we get. So I have some kind of peacocky colors here today. And a silver. Peacock, well, I also have a pearl white. And these are mostly leftovers. Ooh, I don't want that much silver. Paints, so they're kind of all over the place with mixtures. Some might be a bit thicker than others. Just depends, I guess, what I was doing at the time. I have some purple, and I have this bright green. I'm not sure. Well, let's just use a little bit. Actually, this bright green looks really good with this against this dark blue, so let's put in a little bit more dark blue. Like I said, I do not have a plan. I don't know where I'm going with this. So if it turns out horrendous, we know why. Yeah, look at this. I'm going crazy with the colors. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I don't want stripes. Why am I doing stripes? Like setting it up for a swipe, but I'm not swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Because the nice thing about this, if you do it smart and you plan ahead, unlike me, you can sort of control where the colors go. Unlike, you know, like a flip cup and stuff, you cannot do that. So it's kind of nice to have a little bit of a control where the colors end up. Let's see, how much more room do I need? Quite a bit, actually. Okay, let's tilt a little bit. I've never done that with a dip. Never seen the need. But I'm going to, because I have quite a bit of paint on here. I'm just stretching it out. See, I'm not getting anything interesting pattern-wise. Whose fault is that? Mine. Because I wasn't planning ahead. Can't have too much purple though, can you? Need something in this silver. Let's put a little bit more of this dark blue because it kind of went under everything. Do we need more silver? I have a song in my head and I have no idea what it is. Let's do a little bit more white right here. Stripes again. What is with me? Must have swiping on my mind. Let's do a little bit of rickrack. There we go. At least that's a little more interesting. Let's see how much space do we have here. I'm good left to right, I think. I need a little bit more down here. Let's do... We have this lighter blue with some pink floating in that. Look at that. That looks like dried paint. Oh, no, it's not. Well, that's going to be interesting. I must have gotten a drip of pink in there right before I closed it. I think this is going to be the most boring dip of all time. Alright, I do think I have enough paint. Yeah. Let's just go in there. You do need to make sure you press down because nothing like pulling it up and having something really pretty. Except one little spot that didn't get messed. And you can see it really does. There's a lot of paint left. There's a really loud fly buzzing around in here. Burp. But there is the beauty of the dip. Oh, it is pretty. I have this big swatch of silver I'd like to do something with. And look, it's even getting some cells. Let me get this out of the way and I'm going to torch it and do some fun things with it. I have to hit record again because this is actually really pretty. I'm actually going to leave this as a skin and pull it up. I was going to maybe do another dip, but I really like it, so I'm going to leave it and use the skin. All right.